Hello, this is Henry with Sensible Survival Tips, and today I'll be doing a small tutorial slash review on how to pick locks and a very affordable lock picking kit that everyone has access to. I bought this lock picking kit from Amazon. It was $24, I believe, and it comes with Prime shipping. So that's free shipping if you didn't know. This kit is available to everyone with internet and an Amazon account, and $24 Prime, you can get a free 30-day membership. It comes with a small practice lock that's got clear plastic sides so you can see all the pins and the tumbler. It's not 9 different picks and 2 torque wrenches. You can see here you've got all these picks and then the 2 torque wrenches. That's all this kit comes from. It also comes with a set of keys for this lock, right here that it comes with. And just to prove this isn't a dummy lock, I mean, it locks until you put the keys in, and it will unlock. And this also gives you a really good example of just how locks work. So, to get started, I'm just going to give you the basics on how locks work. So, there's all these little pins that you can see in there, little brass, slightly darker sections on the bottom there. They're all at various heights, sitting in there, keeping the tumbler, this large brass section in the middle, that rolls to unlock this bar here. It keeps that from turning. But when the key is inserted, all the pins go to the correct height where there's a small gap that allows the tumbler to turn. And the way lock picking works is that there's a small problem, a little bit of a, I'm not quite sure what you would call it, but just every pin from the first pin forward will give a little bit of give. So if you were to take a tension wrench and put tension on it, and you got the first one, it would lock a little bit, keeping the first pin from falling back down, allowing you to work on the second pin, the third pin, the fourth pin, the fifth pin, all the way down to however many pins the lock has. This lock has 7 pins that hold together, and I've only been doing this for about an hour, hour and a half, and I've already gotten this basic starter lock down. So first you take the tension wrench and you insert it into this section here, this bottom section, like so. Then you apply a small amount of downward tension. I'm going to be using a number 2 pick. Depending on the lock that you're using, this one here I found that works best with the number 2, but depending on the lock or how much experience you have, you may have found better results with different picks. So to start, you're just going to find the first pin. You're going to take this and insert it into the top section of the lock and find the first pin. You're going to raise that up until you hear a click, and you'll see it stays right where it is. And you move on to the second pin. Knock that one up. Sometimes you have to use a different pick. So I'm going to go ahead and move to a slightly taller pick. Number 4. You can see that one's a little bit bigger. You just move it in. Okay. Move on to the next pin. And the next pin. And the final pin. This does take time. You'll see in movies and things that it seems like an easy process, but once you get into it, you'll learn that it takes a little bit more time than is conveyed by the media. there you go. And then your lock's open. That there is a basic tutorial and review of the $24 Hand Tools Practice Tools Gift Mini Set 9+2 from Amazon. If you'd like to continue watching, I will show you one more time how to pick the lock using a number 2 and number 4 pick and a one-sided tension wrench. That will begin now. There are also many guides online on how to pick locks and things like that. So I'm sure there's some sort of resource out there that will help you. There you go. And one more time, just a little bit more elevation. I really want you guys to be able to see how it's done and how all the pins react to each other. There you do it right there. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. That's like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to check out the Hand Tools Practice Tools Gift Mini Set 9+2 on Amazon. It's affordable, everybody's access to it. Please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.